Want a home that feels like a peaceful escape? Let's go to Pottery Barn shopping. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. While walking through the store, I'm showing you how I shop smart, especially in the clearance section. I look for off-season pieces that still feel timeless and laid-back luxury, just as you would see at a boutique island resort. One of my pro tips is shop near the end of the season. That's when you find affordable treasures like these seashell chargers, and they're coming home with me, and many other great items as well. I purchased about 6 of the chargers, and now I'm going to show you how I style them with simple palm leaf. It instantly adds calm and breezy feels to your space. I enjoy making home feel like a vacation year-round, and so do my clients. If you're looking for a consultation, you can contact me at HomestyleDecorators.com. When choosing your thread count, think about how you want your sheets to feel. Do you like it cold, cozy, without heat? Thread count matters. Think about staying above 500 for a nice cozy feel. The move with battery operated candles, the ones that are flickering are the best. Ready to make your home feel like a resort vacation? Let me show you how I create calm resort style decor from Pottery Barn to Homestyle Decorators. Continue to watch this video. You'll see my process on how I put the looks together, combining both brands of relaxation and timeless aesthetic. Everything is chosen with peace in mind. Ready to make your home feel like a vacation? You can head over to HomestyleDecorators.com and schedule a consultation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Continue to watch this video and see my design process. For more content, subscribe and follow along, and thank you for watching.